Ever wondered how to make the perfect pad thai at home? This dish, with its roots in the bustling streets of Bangkok, has captured the hearts and taste buds of foodies worldwide. It's a symphony of flavors, tangy, sweet, and savory, all dancing together in perfect harmony. Pad Thai has a rich history, having nourished generations with its satisfying blend of rice noodles, proteins, and vibrant vegetables. This video is your step-by-step guide to making this culinary masterpiece. So, are you ready to travel to Thailand through your kitchen? First things first, gather the ingredients. The star of our show is rice noodles, the base of any respectable pad thai. Then we have the tamarind paste, lending a unique sweet and sour profile that's hard to replace. Fish sauce adds that umami punch, while palm sugar balances it out with a hint of sweetness. A squeeze of fresh lime juice wakes up the flavors, and crushed peanuts add that satisfying crunch. For protein, tofu or shrimp, or even both if you're feeling adventurous. Bean sprouts lend a fresh crunch, while garlic imparts that essential aromatic base. Don't forget the eggs, they bring everything together with a rich, creamy texture. And finally, chili flakes, for those who like a bit of heat. Each ingredient plays a key role in creating the harmonious symphony of flavors that is pad thai. Remember, the secret to a good pad thai lies in its fresh and authentic ingredients. Now let's dive into the heart of pad thai, the sauce. The beauty of this dish lies in its sauce, a perfect blend of sweet, sour, and salty. Our key ingredients here are tamarind paste, fish sauce, and palm sugar. We start off with the tamarind paste. This tangy delight is the backbone of our sauce, lending it a unique sourness that is impossible to replicate. We'll need about 2 tablespoons. Next, we introduce the fish sauce. This brings out the umami and salty flavors that make pad thai so addictive. A tablespoon should do the trick. Finally, we add some palm sugar. This isn't just for sweetness, it also balances out the sour and salty elements of our sauce. 2 tablespoons will create the perfect harmony. In a saucepan, we combine these ingredients over a low heat, stirring until the palm sugar has completely dissolved and the sauce is well blended. And there you have it, the perfect pad thai sauce is ready. Your taste buds are in for a treat. With the sauce ready, it's time to actually cook the pad thai. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to soak the rice noodles in warm water until they soften. Be careful not to over-soak them. You don't want them mushy, just tender enough to stir-fry. While the noodles are soaking, heat a splash of oil in a wok or large frying pan. Tofu or shrimp, whatever you prefer, goes in next. Stir-fry them until they're golden and crispy. Remember, high heat is key here. It gives that beautiful char that's so characteristic of street-style pad thai. Now, push everything to one side of the wok and crack in a couple of eggs. Scramble them lightly and let them cook. Once they're done, it's time to add our previously prepared sauce. Pour it in and let it sizzle for a bit. Drain your soaked noodles and add them to the wok. Stir everything together, making sure to coat the noodles evenly with the sauce. This is where the magic happens, the flavors melding together, the aroma filling your kitchen. Finish off with a handful of fresh bean sprouts and crushed peanuts. Give it one last good stir. The bean sprouts add a lovely crunch, and the peanuts a rich nutty flavor. And voila, your mouth-watering pad thai is ready to be served. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, serving and enjoying the pad thai. The final flourish to this culinary masterpiece involves a simple yet significant step. We serve our pad thai with lime wedges and a side of extra peanuts. The lime adds a fresh, zesty twist, while the peanuts offer a delightful crunch. It's a time-honored tradition to squeeze the lime over the dish before tucking in. The citrusy splash complements the savory sweet symphony of flavors in the pad thai, bringing out the best in every bite. Now there's one golden rule when it comes to pad thai. Enjoy it while it's hot. The warmth of the dish enhances the taste, making every mouthful a celebration of flavors. And of course, we'd love for you to share your pad thai journey with us. The joy of cooking is in the sharing, isn't it? There you have it, folks. Now you know how to make the perfect pad thai at home. Bon appétit!